Q. How does a car's HVAC system work? A. A car's HVAC system is a complex system that uses a refrigerant to heat and cool the air inside the car. The system is made up of several components, including a compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve. The compressor is responsible for compressing the refrigerant gas into a liquid. The liquid refrigerant then flows to the condenser, where it is cooled and turned back into a gas. The gas then flows to the expansion valve, where it is further cooled and expanded. The expanded gas then flows to the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the air inside the car. The cooled air is then blown into the car by a blower. Q. Why does my car's AC not blow cold air? A. There are a few reasons why your car's AC might not blow cold air. Some of the most common causes include low refrigerant level. The refrigerant level in your car's AC system can leak over time. If the refrigerant level is too low, the system will not be able to cool the air effectively. Blocked evaporator. The evaporator is the part of the AC system that absorbs heat from the air inside the car. If the evaporator is blocked with dirt or debris, it will not be able to transfer heat effectively, and the air will not be cooled. Faulty compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system, and if it is faulty, the system will not be able to function. Q. How can I maintain my car's HVAC system? A. There are a few things you can do to maintain your car's HVAC system and keep it running smoothly. Have your car's AC system serviced regularly. Most car manufacturers recommend that you have your car's AC system serviced every 2 years. During a service, the technician will check the refrigerant level, inspect the system for leaks, and clean the evaporator. Use the AC system regularly. Even if you don't need to use the AC to cool the car, it's a good idea to run it for a few minutes every week. This will help to lubricate the system and prevent seals from drying out. Replace the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter traps pollen, dust, and other debris from the air that enters the car. A dirty cabin air filter can restrict airflow and reduce the efficiency of the AC system. Q. How can I improve the fuel efficiency of my car's HVAC system? A. There are a few things you can do to improve the fuel efficiency of your car's HVAC system. Avoid using the AC on maximum settings. The higher the fan speed, the more energy the AC system will use. Use the lowest fan speed that is comfortable for you. Use the Econ mode. Many newer cars have an Econ mode that reduces the power consumption of the AC system and other accessories. Park in the shade. If you're parked in the sun, pre-cool your car by opening the windows for a few minutes before you get in. This will help to reduce the amount of time you need to use the AC. Thanks for listening. Please check description for more.